All right, so again, like I said, on my way to the IBC tote. Yeah. So whatever. This was the thing that was giving me like the issue. Like I said, there's some shoot. Spin it around. Gonna hard with one hand. Oh yeah, baby, got it out. Let's see what. All right. Oh yeah. Let's get the thing so I could set the camera on that. That way you guys can have a better view. Let's put that back. Don't want to lose this. Let me tell you, I thought it was gonna be not so good condition, the bottom part. I thought it was just gonna be rotted out. But no. It's pretty damn good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it needs a good washing. I might even get the pressure washing machine and wash it off. But yeah, I see it pretty good. Can't complain. Yeah, that's what I'm definitely gonna do. I'm gonna do a pressure washing machine on it. So alright, gonna be spick and span new. I mean, cause yeah, this is stainless steel, so definitely gonna be good. Alright, whatever. We'll get to that again. Hey, don't peck on my camera. You ain't mad at the camera? All right, let's let them pigeons out. All right, so as you can see, I let the pigeons out already. Put the flag up there. So now I'm just gonna show you inside the loft. I'm gonna feed actually the girls. What's up? Oh. These are the girls. Damn, what the little cop. Shit. Keep the cup sitting. Yeah, that's it. So actually, let's go put back the trays back in there. It's a little bit cold, so let's get extra food. Let's get that body down there. Feed the boy. I'll feed him later on. Don't come back from flying, I'll feed him. This is another section for the boys. Oh, actually, let me have the food ready. I mean, not for the boys, for the flies. Some of that. Some energy. And some corn. Vamos, 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 vamos. 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 I gotta get a table out of this shed. Now, where is that table? That's, oh my God, look at the table. All the way back there. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Ooh, all right, we're almost getting there. Yes, sir, we're almost getting there. Okay, we are here. Well, I got two of them. Got the table. got these signs too. No, I don't need this last one. At home, that's a bunch of signs I had in my old house. Now I gotta hang up, so let's put this. See? Put this on here. These two. Oh boy. I'm definitely gonna fix this. Been lazy about it, but I definitely gonna fix it. Yeah, definitely. But this, whoa. This is what I came for. So I got it. That's what I got. That's what I needed. Also, I need a WD-40 because I gotta go spray the locks. That way when you go to put in the key or something, it's not like it wants to break off in the lock. Let me get them signs too. So we can put these signs somewhere. And I mean, they're nice signs. You think about it. They tell me that's a nice sign right there. Oh yeah, that's one of them. That's one of my favorites. Huh. There's another one too. Use duct tape. That's a good one. That's one of my good ones too. Really one of my good ones. This is for the hot rods. I'm thinking this I'm putting it outside on the shed when I get this done. Yes, old Chevrolet sign. And the last one. NASCAR. Yeah. I'm gonna hang them up. It'll just be on some future video when I have the chance to do it. Alright guys, that's it for today.